Always tracking your financial status, like your true profit and cost, could be tricky. And if you're still using spreadsheets, very time-consuming task. So let me show you an easier way how you can track your real profit and all kinds of financial metrics in real time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your account and use TrueProfit in just few steps. Let me show you how. So firstly, we need to set up the cost of goods sold. You can input cost one by one, upload CVS file, or the fastest way is just roughly estimated based on sales price. So to do that, go to calculation, product cost, estimated COGS rates. You'll find a slider representing COGS as the percentage of sales price. So for example, if you define the percentage as 20%, sales price is $100, then your COGS is $20. And click Save the Changes. Next, let's set up your shipping rules. Go to Calculation, Shipping Cost, Default Shipping Rules, and Add New. Enter your zone name and choose the country or regions. And here you can also choose the options, quantity-based shipping or weight-based shipping. Set shipping fee. I'll do the quantity-based shipping and click Save. Default shipping rules are the universal rules for all your products. But if some products of yours are exceptional, you can set up in custom shipping rules right here. There are a few more ways to customize your shipping rules by weight, quantity, or manually. You can check out our other video tutorial in the description below. Now let's sync your ad spend. Go to Calculation. Pick any ad platform you need to pull out your ad spend from. So for example, mine will be Bing Ads. You will be required to log in your account and grant your permission to access your ad campaigns. Mine is already connected to my account, so I'm just gonna click Activate and Synchronize. Next, let's set up your transaction fees. Shopify charges an additional fee for using external gateways other than Shopify payments. So to include that, go to Calculation and click Transaction Fees. For example, a typical store using Stripe would pay 30 cents fixed amounts per order, plus 2.9% of your monthly revenue and 2% of Shopify external gateway fee. And finally, let's set up your custom spend. This is for any fixed or recurring expenses that not covered above, such as Shopify subscriptions or influencers fee and so on. So to do that, go to Calculation, Custom Spend, and click New Cost. Enter the cost name, for example, KOL fee, input amount of money, frequency, and starting and ending date. But if you don't have an ending date yet, just take on ongoing. Choose the category and click Create. You can also set up a metric-based cost here in case certain expenses are calculated based on percentage of your revenue. So for example, KOA commissions that takes 5% of the generated revenue. And there you have it. Now you can track your real profit and all kinds of financial metrics in real time, even from your phone. If you want to learn more about finance or TrueProfit other features, check out our other video that I'll link down in the description. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.